Fish Hatchery. It's a public, utility-owned fish hatchery that offers free camping. We're going to make a right onto Spencer Road, not far from US Route 12.
Continue on Spencer Road for 3/4 of a mile.
I will chime back in as we approach the free camping location. Looks like we have arrived. I believe the free camping is to the rear of the property. So it appears we are on Fish Hatchery property at this time. That was the Fish Hatchery back there. And it appears the free camping is down here by the boat ramp. I see a few RVs down here. I'm going to find a place to park. Show you around.
Hello folks, it's early in the morning. I just arrived at the Cowlitz Fish Hatchery. It's a public utility owned fish hatchery. This part is a trout hatchery. I believe it's owned by Tacoma Power. The sign behind me says there's free camping here. I'll show you that in a minute. I did see some RVs in here camping this morning. Let's check out this free camping opportunity. The access road coming into the Cowlitz Fish Hatchery was big rig friendly. You'll come clear down to the Blue Creek boat launch, and this is where the free camping is located. The sign says camping limited to 3 consecutive days followed by 7-day minimum absence. There is a porta potty down here. There's a trash can. And I can see where there's some RV camping. Let's walk down and check out this free camping area. So there does appear to be free camping both off to the right and the left. I believe the boat ramp is further down the road here. We'll go check that out. There's the porta potty. There's a trash can there. There's garbage piled up outside. Gosh, I wish people wouldn't do that. You know, if the trash can's full, pack it up and take it out with you. This is the Cowlitz River. Looks like we got some pretty fast stream going there. We got a boat out there fishing this morning. Now let me walk you down. We'll check out this free camping area. And there goes a boat with a bunch of fishermen in it. Looks like these folks got a nice setup there. Yeah, I just talked to those gentlemen in that RV. They're down over the hill fishing there. And got a couple RVs parked in here overnight. Plenty of room. Even got a tent camper in here. Plenty more room off to the left. And there's all kinds of trails that go over to the river. In fact, I'm going to walk up there and see what the river looks like up from that vantage point. So yeah, there's all kinds of little trails to take it down to where the river is. Oh, there's somebody fishing right out here in waders. Couple people fishing this morning in the boat and wading out in there. Oh yeah. It looks like that gentleman just caught a fish. He had the fish in the net. He's bringing him on shore there to unhook him. Okay, let's continue down the road here and check out the rest of this free camping. So if you have a big rig, they do have a very large turnaround loop down here at the end. There's an A-liner camping this morning. There's plenty of room. I could back my fifth wheel in here easily. Probably don't have to worry about not having a campsite. And this is very deep. You can get a fifth wheel in here, drop it, large Class A. So I'm putting the Cowlitz Fish Hatchery on my camping map. This isn't far from Interstate 5 in Washington State, just south of Chehalis, Washington. So there's a look back at the parking area where we just were. There's more trash receptacles down here. Boat ramp is right down here. They have more restrooms over in here. Appears to be a very popular fishing spot. And it looks like we have two different boat ramps going down in there into the Cowlitz River. 100% free camping at the Cowlitz Fish Hatchery in Washington State. I think I'm going to leave it here. I'll have the grid coordinates for this free camping location in the written video description on YouTube. I'll also have the upload and download speeds for Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile in the written video description as well. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.